Introduction to JavaScript.
Welcome back. You've played a pretty good dice game so far, but today, the whole saloon wants to get into the action. And with the way the code is right now, that's going to require a lot of work to add 5 more players. That's 25 more lines of code. Let's see if today we can fix that up and make it a lot simpler. To do that, we'll create a function called roll dice, which takes on the functionality of one player's dice roll and the logging to the console that entails. When we're doing that, we'll remove all references to which player is doing the action, since this particular function will be used both for me and for Bill, and for any player in the saloon foolhardy enough to take us on. So far we're doing pretty good, but now we've got to the part where we have to print out the person's name. Let's go ahead and take that as an argument, and then we'll change the code a little to print out first their name, then we'll print out the rest of the message. So let's see how we did. We'll replace all this with just 2 calls to roll dice. Roll dice, first with Bill, and then Jeffrey. Load that up. And we did great. Let's go ahead and see who wins. Damn it, Bill. So, this is a good game, but it looks a little awkward right here. Let's see what we can do to fix that up. The technique that we're going to use is called string concatenation. You can do something like this, and it gives us one string. Concatenation is just a fancy word for addition. So let's extrapolate from that. Say we have a name. We can add that name to other strings. There we go. It adds together perfectly. We can use this in our roll dice function to add name to that string. And then, when we play dice, it's just like it was before. Now that we've got this under control, we're able to add all the new players that really want to play. And it's just this easy. You can load this up, and now 4 people are playing at a time. Before we get to the assignment, I want to bring up one of the tricky things that string concatenation brings to the table. Here, we're adding 5 plus 6, and that's 11. But here, we're adding string 5 and string 6, and that's 56. So in this case, it's very important that the computer know whether it's getting an integer or a string. And we'll do another case. We have the string 5 and the integer 6. What's going to happen is that the computer will recognize that this is a string, and then it will turn this integer into a string so that it's able to concatenate it. Your assignment for today is to get the printed out statements for each player into one line. Make it so it says Bill's total roll is, and then gives the number right after this colon. Good luck, and I'll see you soon.